Looking to start your freelancing journey on Fiverr? Becoming an executive personal assistant can be a game changer, offering flexible work and great earning potential. In this case study, I'll walk you through setting up your Fiverr account and landing your first clients. Freelancing has become a highly lucrative career option, and Fiverr is one of the most popular platforms for freelancers to offer their services. Among the many freelancing opportunities available, working as an executive personal assistant stands out as a high-demand profession. Entrepreneurs, business executives, and busy professionals constantly seek skilled individuals to manage their schedules, emails, travel arrangements, and administrative tasks. If you have strong organizational skills and can handle multiple responsibilities efficiently, becoming an executive personal assistant on Fiverr can be a profitable career choice. This case study provides a detailed step-by-step guide on how to create a Fiverr Freelancer account, set up an optimized gig, attract clients, and build a successful business as an executive personal assistant. Creating a Fiverr Freelancer account. To start working on Fiverr, the first step is to create an account. The process is simple and takes only a few minutes. Visiting Fiverr's official website and clicking on the Join button will allow you to sign up using an email address or by linking an existing Google, Facebook, or Apple account. It is important to choose a professional username that aligns with your services, as it cannot be changed later. A username such as Pro Executive or a light business assistant can make a strong first impression. Once registered, it is essential to complete the profile with all necessary details. Fiverr requires freelancers to verify their identity, which involves submitting an official ID and adding a professional profile picture. A well-optimized Fiverr profile significantly increases the chances of getting hired. The profile should include a high-quality picture, a well-written bio that showcases relevant skills and experience, a list of services offered, and certifications or credentials that add credibility to the expertise. A complete and polished profile signals professionalism and reliability to potential clients. Setting up an executive personal assistant gig. The Fiverr Gig is a service listing that potential clients browse through when searching for freelancers. Creating a high-converting gig is a crucial step in attracting clients. A clear and engaging gig title is necessary to stand out, such as, "I will be your professional executive personal assistant for business support." Selecting the right category is important, with executive personal assistants typically falling under the business, virtual assistant section. To ensure visibility in Fiverr search results, adding relevant keywords like executive assistant, virtual assistant, business support, and administrative help is recommended. A detailed gig description is essential, explaining the services offered, experience in the field, and how clients can benefit. The description should highlight core tasks, including calendar and schedule management, email handling, travel booking, data entry, report preparation, and research support. Offering different pricing tiers, basic, standard, and premium, allows clients to choose a package that fits their needs. The gig should also include a portfolio with sample documents showcasing skills in report writing, data entry, and email management. A well-structured and professional gig is more likely to attract high-quality clients. Optimizing your Fiverr profile for more visibility. A strong Fiverr profile plays a major role in securing more clients. Optimization techniques, such as using SEO-friendly keywords in the profile and gig descriptions, help rank higher in Fiverr search results. Regularly updating the profile with new skills, services, and certifications keeps it fresh and relevant. Fiverr allows freelancers to add a video introduction, and this can significantly boost engagement by allowing potential clients to see and hear the freelancer. Maintaining a quick response time and engaging actively with potential buyers increases visibility on the platform. Fiverr's algorithm favors sellers who are consistently active and responsive. Clients also tend to prefer freelancers who reply promptly and demonstrate professionalism. Promoting your Fiverr gig to attract clients. While Fiverr brings in organic traffic, actively promoting services is a great way to increase sales. Sharing the gig link on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram exposes it to potential clients. Engaging in business-related online forums and groups can lead to valuable networking opportunities. Sending cold outreach messages to entrepreneurs and small business owners offering executive personal assistant services is another effective strategy. Personalizing messages and explaining how the services can improve business efficiency makes a strong impact. Fiverr also has a buyer request section where clients post job listings. Checking this section regularly and sending well-crafted proposals increases the chances of securing gigs. Creating a website or blog dedicated to executive assistance, time management, and productivity topics can attract potential clients. Writing high-value content and linking back to the Fiverr gig can generate more traffic and interest. By building a personal brand outside Fiverr, credibility increases, making it easier to attract high-paying clients. Delivering high-quality work and retaining clients. Once orders start coming in, providing top-quality service should be the top priority. Happy clients leave positive reviews, and Fiverr's ranking system favors freelancers with high ratings. Professionalism and reliability go a long way in building long-term relationships. Being responsive and clear in communication ensures a smooth working relationship with clients. Meeting deadlines consistently builds trust and credibility, while paying attention to client instructions and preferences demonstrates dedication. Offering helpful suggestions to improve efficiency further strengthens client relationships. Handling sensitive business information with confidentiality and professionalism is a key aspect of being an executive personal assistant. Many clients deal with confidential data, and discretion is essential. Consistently delivering high-quality work leads to repeat clients and long-term contracts, which provide stability and higher earnings. Scaling your virtual assistance business. Once a reputation is established, scaling the business becomes the next goal. Increasing rates as experience and credibility grow is a natural step toward higher earnings. Expanding service offerings to include project management, customer support, or business consulting diversifies income streams. Building a team of virtual assistants to handle multiple clients at once allows for business growth. Many successful freelancers on Fiverr transition into full-time business owners by outsourcing work and managing a larger operation. Selling digital products such as templates, email scripts, or online courses provides additional revenue streams. Achieving Fiverr's Pro Seller status is another way to attract high-paying clients. Fiverr Pro recognizes top-quality freelancers and offers exclusive opportunities. Many freelancers who reach this level secure corporate clients and work on high-budget projects. Final thoughts. Why Fiverr is the best platform for executive assistants. Becoming a freelance executive personal assistant on Fiverr is a rewarding career choice. The demand for virtual assistants continues to rise as more businesses shift to online operations. Fiverr provides an accessible platform where skilled professionals can showcase their expertise and connect with clients worldwide. With a well-optimized profile, a compelling gig, effective marketing strategies, and a commitment to high-quality service, freelancers can build a profitable and sustainable business. Whether working part-time or full-time, Fiverr offers an opportunity to earn a stable income while enjoying the flexibility of remote work. Anyone with strong organizational skills, attention to detail, and a professional attitude can succeed as an executive personal assistant on Fiverr. By following the right strategies, freelancers can unlock unlimited earning potential and establish themselves as industry experts. With dedication, persistence, and continuous improvement, Fiverr can be the stepping stone to financial independence and long-term success in the freelancing world. With the right approach, Fiverr can be a goldmine for executive personal assistants. Ready to start your journey? Follow these steps, take action, and watch your freelance career grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more freelancing tips.